Welcome to our educational series on electrical engineering. In today's video, we will explore an essential topic, types of faults and their causes in a transmission system. Understanding the various faults that can occur in a transmission system is crucial for electrical engineers to ensure the reliability and safety of power transmission. So, let's dive in. Before we begin discussing the types of faults, let's define what a fault is in the context of a transmission system. In electrical engineering, a fault refers to any abnormal condition that disrupts the normal flow of electricity in a power transmission network. The first type of fault we will explore is the most common, the short circuit. A short circuit occurs when two or more conductors come into direct contact, bypassing the load or resistance. This can lead to excessive current flow, overheating, and potentially damaging the equipment. Short circuits can have various causes, such as equipment failure, insulation breakdown, or even external factors like lightning strikes or tree branches interfering with power lines. The second type of fault we will discuss is an open circuit. Unlike a short circuit, an open circuit occurs when there is an interruption in the current flow due to a broken conductor or a loose connection. In this case, the circuit is incomplete, preventing electricity from reaching its destination. Open circuits can occur due to aging or faulty equipment, corrosion, loose connections, or even accidental damage during construction or maintenance work. Next, let's talk about a ground fault, also known as an earth fault. A ground fault happens when a live conductor comes into direct contact with the ground or any conducting surface that is connected to the ground. Ground faults can occur due to damaged insulation, equipment failure, or improper installation. These faults pose a serious risk as they can lead to electric shocks, equipment damage, and even fires. Lastly, we have the overvoltage fault. Overvoltage occurs when the voltage level in a transmission system exceeds its normal limits. This can happen due to lightning strikes, switching operations, or faults in the power grid. Overvoltage faults can cause insulation breakdown, damage to sensitive electronic equipment, and even pose a risk to human safety. Understanding the different types of faults and their causes in a transmission system is crucial for electrical engineers. It allows them to design robust protection systems, implement preventive measures, and respond effectively during fault occurrences. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of types of faults and their causes in a transmission system. Stay tuned for more educational videos on electrical engineering. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for updates. See you next time.